Welcome to episode 7 of All About Debt Funds, a 10-episode series by Bajaj Finserv Mutual Fund. Today, we're diving into bond investment strategies. I know, this might seem a little bit overwhelming at first, but it's easier than it sounds. Think of it like deciding what type of reader you are. Let's explore this in detail. Imagine this, you're about to choose your next read. Some readers love to jump into quick short stories, while others prefer epic novels that take time and dedication. Some enjoy a mix of both, while others are very particular about sticking to one genre or length. Are you the type of reader who loves getting lost in a thick, immersive book? Or do you prefer something that you can finish in a day or two, leaving you with a quick sense of accomplishment? Maybe you like a bit of everything, short, snappy books for when you're on the go, and long, complex novels for when you have the time and energy to dive deep. In the world of bonds, these different types of readers are like different investment strategies, each suited to a different approach and financial goal. Just like how you choose books, you can choose a bond strategy that may suit your needs and preferences. Let's break down some bond investment strategies based on different types of readers. Buy and hold strategy. Think of it like you're the type of reader who picks a hefty long novel and commits to it, knowing it will take time, but the journey is worth it. You stick to it until the last page, and along the way, you gather valuable insights, even if it requires patience. Similarly, in bond investing, the buy and hold strategy means you invest in bonds and hold them until they mature, enjoying steady returns over time. This strategy rewards patience and long-term planning, just like finishing a great epic novel. Laddering strategy. Now let's say you're the type of reader who likes a little variety. Some days you're in the mood for a quick read, a short story or a novel. On other days you dive into a longer, more involved book. You like the idea of mixing things up and having something new to explore every time you sit down with a book. In bond investing, the laddering strategy works the same way. You buy bonds with different maturity dates, ensuring that you're always receiving returns at regular intervals. This approach ensures a steady flow of returns, like consistently having a mix of books to read. Barbell strategy. Now imagine you're the type of reader who likes to oscillate between the extremes. One day you pick up a quick, light, self-help book, and the next day you're lost in a dense classic novel. You skip over books that fall in middle, preferring either a very easy read or a long, challenging one. In bond investing, the barbell strategy is similar. You invest in a mix of short and long-term bonds, avoiding medium-term bonds altogether. This approach helps balance the need for immediate returns and the potential for long-term growth. It's about focusing on the extremes, much like how you focus on either quick reads or epic, lengthy novels. Now that you have a clear understanding of how different bond strategies work, let's talk about something crucial: duration. Some books require a lot of commitment, like an in-depth biography or historical saga, while others are quick and flexible, like a short guidebook. In bond investing, duration measures how sensitive a bond's value is to the changes in the interest rates. Short duration versus long duration bonds. Short duration bonds are like quick reads. They're straightforward and less impacted by changes over time. Long duration bonds are like dense novels. They require patience and might be more sensitive to changes in the market. Balancing both types of bonds helps you create a fulfilling investment journey, just as balancing your reading preferences helps you enjoy a variety of literary experiences. Quick fact: did you know the laddering strategy is likely to be suitable for conservative investors? Just like having a well-balanced reading habit, it ensures that you have consistent engagement while reducing the risk of being stuck with one type of bond or investment. Task for viewers. Let's put this into action. Think about your financial goals. Are you saving for something big, like buying a car or planning a dream vacation? Now, imagine that goal as if you were choosing your next reading adventure. Are you the type of reader who would commit to a long, single story from start to finish, like buy and hold strategy with a long-term investment? Or are you more of a reader who enjoys a mix of short, medium and long books, just like using the laddering strategy with multiple investments to keep things fresh. Write down your approach in the debt fund diary and share it in the comments which strategy feels most aligned with your investment personality. Bonus insight: just like maintaining a balanced reading habit, your bond investment strategy should reflect your goals. If you enjoy a simple, straightforward experience, the buy and hold strategy can be a suitable option, just like reading one book at a time, steadily and without distractions. If you need a bit more variety and excitement, the laddering strategy ensures you have a new investment lined up, just like always having a new book ready to go. By understanding these strategies, you can plan your investments better, reduce risk, and stay on course, just like crafting your perfect reading list. So that was all about different bond investment strategies that you can use. Next time, we'll talk about the tax implications of debt funds. See you in episode 8.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme related documents carefully.